Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinith, class 9th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that first chapter real numbers, exercise 1.5 9th and 10th which. Ninth question, simplify 4th root 81 minus 8 into 3rd root 343 plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus root 225. Before going into the solution, first of all, we have to prime factorize the 81, 343, 32 and 225. See, here first of all 81, 2 table it is not possible. Next we have to take 3 table. 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Next 343, 2 table not possible, 3 table not possible, 5 table not possible. Next 7 table it is possible. 7 49s are 343, 7 7s are 49. In this prime factorization method, only we have to take only prime numbers because the name itself telling has a prime factorization. Only we have to take a prime factors. 32 in 2 table it is possible. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Next 225. For simply we have to write 15 into 15 is equals to 225. See here 81 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means how many 3's are present here? 4 3's. So 3 power 4. 343 is equals to 7 into 7 into 7. How many 7's are there here? 3 7's. So 7 power 3. See how many 2's are present here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 32 is equals to 2 power 5. 225 is equals to 15 into 15 means 15 square. See here. See 81 can be represented as 3 power 4 no. 3 power 4. Same we have to keep 4th root 3 power 4 minus 8 into 3rd root. 343 can be written as 7 cube no. 7 cube plus 15 into 32 can be written as 2 power 5 now. 5th root 2 power 5 plus 225 can be written as 15 square. 15 square. See, if we bring this root term here, it will become 1 by n. See here. See example here. 3 power 4 no. If we bring this 4th root here, it will become 1 by 4. If it is 5 means 1 by 5. If it is 6 means 1 by 6. Like that. 3 power 4 into 4 if we bring here means 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4 minus 8 into, if we bring 3 here means 1 by 3 no. 7 cube into 1 by 3 plus 15 into 2 power 5. If we bring 5th root here means 1 by 5 plus, you know that root value is 2. So if we bring root here means 1 by 2. 15 square into 1 by 2. See here. 4 into 1 4 by 4 minus 8 into 3 ones are 3 means 7 3 by 3 plus 15 into 2 5 into 1 means 5 by 5 plus 15 into 2 into 1 means 2 by 2. See 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 5 5 cancel and 2 2 cancel because 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5 ones are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. See here. What is remaining here? 3 minus 8 7s are 56, 15 2s are 30 plus 15. See if we add positive one side and negative one side, 3 plus 30 33, 33 plus 15 48, 48 minus 56, answer is minus 8. See minus sign is greater, so we have to keep minus here. Minus 8 is an answer. Next 10th bit, if a and b are rational numbers, find the value of a and b in each of the following equations. See, this is a question. Same in the previous classes we discussed rationalizing the denominator. See, this is numerator and this is denominator. You already know that. See, now we have to rationalize the denominator. You know that while rationalizing the denominator, the minus sign will become plus sign will become minus sign. See, rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2 because minus sign will become plus sign. Now we have to multiply this. See how it is. See here, root 3 plus root 2 minus by root 3 minus root 2. We have to write as it is into, we have to multiply in the numerator and denominator. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Same we have to write same here. Numerator and denominator while multiplying. See, observe this. These are AI signs are equal and BB signs are equal. A plus B into A plus B means A plus B whole square. No. Again in denominator, A minus B into A plus B means A square minus B square. No. See here, A plus B whole square means what is A here? Root 3. B means root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square. A plus B whole square means A square minus B square means what is A here? Root 3 whole square minus B square means root 2 whole square. Understand? See, this is in the form A plus B whole square. Now A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is A square here? Root 3 whole square plus 2. A means root 3, B means root 2 plus B square means root 2 whole square. Root 2 now, B means square means whole square by, see here, square root cancel here and square root cancel here. Here also square root cancel, square root cancel. What is remaining here? 3 plus 2 into, see, root terms are, we have to multiply it. Root 3 into root 2 means root 3 2s are 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 2. See, 3 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 is negligible, so we have to write 3 plus 2 root 6 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means 5. 5 plus 2 root 6. No. See, what is given here is equals to A plus B root 6. No. We have to find the A and B values here. A comparing with A plus B root 6. See here, A is root 5 plus is there here. B is 2 root 6 root 6. See, what is A value here? Root 5. B value 2. Again we have to not write the root 6 here because root 6 is included in A plus B root 6 only. So A value 5, B value 2. Next, second one, root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equals to A minus B root 15. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. You already know that minus sign will become plus sign and plus sign will become minus sign. See, root 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 will become 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Now we have to multiply it same. Like that only previous problem. Root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 we have to write as it is into, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator. See, root 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. See, observe here, A, B, C, D. See, all signs are unequal. In denominator you observe A signs are equal and BB signs are equal here. See, 2 root 5 equal, 3 root 3 equal. See, A minus B into A plus B means A square minus B square. No. See, in a numerator we have to multiply it. Root 5 into whole term. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 again plus 3 root 3 again whole term. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by A square means 2 root 5 whole square minus B square means 3 root 3 whole square. See here 2 terms are present here. No. AB whole power m. No. For 2 terms only exponent 1 is there, so we have to separate it. See, root 5 into 2 root 5 means 5 same here. No. Root 5 same. No. 2 we have to write as it is. Root 5 means root 5 whole square plus root 5 into 3 root 3. Root 5 root 3 are unequal, so we have to multiply it. 3 root 5 into root 3 means root 5 into 3 means 15 plus. See here 2 as it is. Root 3 into root 5 means 3 5s are 15. No. Root 15 plus. See here root 3 equal. No. Root 3 whole square. 3 we have to write as it is plus 3 root 3 whole square. We have to separate 2 square root 5 whole square minus 3 square root 3 whole square. See here, square root cancel here and square root cancel here. Here also square root cancel and square root cancel here. See, 2 5s are 10 plus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 plus 3 3s are 9.
by 2 square means 4, 4 into 5 means 20, minus minus 3 square means 9, 9 3s are 27. Next, see here 10 plus 9, 19 plus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 by 20 minus 27, minus sign is greater, so we have to keep minus here, minus 7. 19 plus, see root 15 is equal, so we have to add it. 3 plus 2 5, root 15 common, root 15 by minus 7. See, numerator contain 2 terms, denominator contain 1 term, so we have to separate it. See, 19 by minus 7 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. See, we have to bring minus sign in the numerator. Minus 19 by 7 minus 5 root 15 by 7. See, comparing with what is given in the question, a minus b root 15, no. See, comparing with a minus b root 15. See, we have to write, for understanding purpose I written like this, so don't confuse it children. Minus 19 by 7 minus 5 root 15 by 7. See, a minus b root 15. What is a here? Minus 19 by 7. See, minus contain here also. B means 5 by 7 only, because root 15 is containing here. So we have to not write in root 15. A means minus 19 by 7. B means 5 by 7. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the video, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching.